Good day, everyone. We're going to answer the three-piece circuits video assigned to us. Then number 33, the first question is three impedance coil each having a resistance of 20 ohms and a reactance of 15 ohms are connected in a start to a 400 volts 3-piece 50 source. If a delta connected capacitor bank is connected in parallel to the existing load, calculate the capacitance per piece of the capacitor bank to obtain a resultant power factor 0.9 lagging. Solution is Z equals to 20 plus G15. So to get the angle is Z equals to 25 angle 36.87 ohms. So we have a volt line equals to 400. Then to get the volt power, formula of volt power is volt equals to voltage line over square root of 3. So the voltage line is 400 over square root of 3. Then the voltage power is equal to 230.94 volts. Then we need to find the current line. Current line is equal to current power is equal to voltage power over Z, or voltage line over square root of 3Z. Then the current line or current power is equal to 230.94 over to 25. Then the equal to 9.24 ampere. Then next is the power total is equal to square root of 3 times voltage line times current line cosine theta, then equals to square root times 400 square root of 3 times 400 times 9.24 cosine 36.7. Then the power total is 5,121.32 watts. Then next is the total capacitance equal to square root of 3 sine theta square root of 3 times 400 9 times 9.24 sine 36.87. Then the total capacitance is 3,841.0.1 AmpR. Then at 95% lagging, total PEP equals to 0.5. Theta is equal to cosine negative 0.85. At capacitance of at 95% equals to P tan theta, then 5,121.32 tan cosine 0.95, then at equals to 1,683 VR. Is that total of capacitance is equal to QT minus Q 95% equals to 3841.01 minus 1683.3 equals to 2157.71 BER divided by 3. The answer is 719.24 VR. Then delta connected, in a delta connected BL, volt line equals to B power equals to 400 volts. Then need to find the XC equals to B squared over QC equals to 400 squared over 719.32, which is 222.4 ohms. Next is to find the C. QC is equal XC is equal to 1 over 2 pi times 50 times C. C equal to 1.4312494 times 10 raised to the negative 5. Then C equals to 14.312. Next is number 238. The input power to a 3-piece motor was measured by a 2 wattmeter method. The reading were 10.4 kilowatts and negative 3.4 kilowatts, and the voltage was 400 volts. Solution is find IL power total is equal to square root of 3 times voltage line times current line times cosine theta. Then since kita about IL, so IL current line or IL equals to power total over square root of 3 times PL voltage line cosine theta. Then wala pa man tay power total wala tay power total, then we get to power total. The given is the what's one is 10.4 kilowatts, then 2 is negative 3.4 kilowatts. The power total is equal to W1 plus W2 1 over what's 10.4 plus negative 3.4 equal to power total is 7 kilowatts or 7,000 watts. Then to get the theta, then tan theta equals to square root of 3 times W1 or minus W2 over W1 plus W2. Then theta is tan times negative 3 times W1 minus W2 over W1 plus W2. Then negative square root of 3 times 10.4 minus negative 3.4 over 10.4 plus negative 3.4. Then the theta is 73.78. Then since natay theta, natay power total, IL equals to P power total over square root of 3 volt line cosine theta. Current line equal to 7,000 over square root of 3 times 400 times cosine 73.68. Then answer is the current line is 35.96 ampere. The last number is number 39. The question is, a star-connected balanced load is supplied from a 3-piece balanced supply with a line voltage of 416 volts at a frequency of 50 Hz. Each piece of the load consists of a resistance and a capacitor joined in series, and the readings on 2 wattmeter connected to measure the total power supplied are 7 with 2 watts and 1980 watts. Calculate the capacitance of each capacitor. Solution is the watts 1 is 782, watts 2 is 1880, then the volts line is 416 volts at 50 Hz. Then tan theta is equal to square root of 3 times watts 1 minus watts 2 over watts 1 plus watts 2. Then at theta tan square root of 3 782 minus 1980 over 782 plus 1980 equals to negative 36.82. Theta 36.82 leading. Then to get the power total, watts 1 plus watts 2, 782 plus 1980 equals to 2762 watts, the power total. Then to get the current line equals to power total over square root of 3 volt line and cosine theta. Then na naman tayo power total is 2762 over square root of 3. Then the volt line is 416 volts. Then cosine 36.82. Then the current line is 4.76 or equal to current power. Then the impedance power equals to voltage power and current power equal to 416 over square root of 3 over 4.79. Then the impedance power equals to 50.14 ohms. Then the XC equals to impedance power sin theta. Then the impedance power is 50.14 sin 36.82. Then equals to 30.12 ohms. Then to find the C, X equals to 1 over 2 pi FC. Then X is 30.12 over equals to 1 over 2 pi times 50 times E. The C is equal to 1.0568, 0.7 times 10 to the raised to the 4. The C is 105.68. That's all. Thank you.